What if I told you that one social media platform could bring you clients, job offers, and business opportunities completely for free? That platform is LinkedIn. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use LinkedIn marketing in 2026, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know how to optimize your profile, create content that actually gets views, and attract the right people to your brand or business. Let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what LinkedIn marketing actually means. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional network, with over 1 billion users worldwide. Unlike Instagram or Facebook, LinkedIn is built for professionals. Business owners, freelancers, job seekers, marketers, and decision makers all use it daily. LinkedIn marketing means using this platform to build your personal brand, grow your business, generate leads, or find new career opportunities. And the best part? LinkedIn's organic reach is still far higher than most other platforms, meaning your content can reach thousands of people without spending a single dollar on ads. Step 1, and this is the most important step, optimize your LinkedIn profile. Think of your profile as your digital business card. Before you post a single piece of content, make sure your profile is complete and professional. Here's what to fix right now. Use a clear, professional headshot. Smile naturally. Avoid group photos, images, or casual selfies. Your headline. Don't just write your job title. Instead, write who you help and how. For example, helping small businesses grow through social media marketing. About section. Tell your story. Who are you, what do you do, and what results do you deliver? Write it in first person and keep it conversational. Featured section. Add your best work here, a website link, a portfolio, a case study, or a YouTube video. A strong profile builds trust before you even say a word. Step 2, connect with the right people. LinkedIn is not about having thousands of random connections. It's about building a targeted network of people who are relevant to your goals. Start by connecting with people in your industry, your target audience, potential clients, or professionals you admire. When sending a connection request, always add a short personal note. Something like, "Hi Sarah, I came across your content on digital marketing and found it really valuable. I'd love to connect and stay in touch." This small step makes a huge difference. People are far more likely to accept a personalized request than a blank one. Aim to add 10 to 20 meaningful connections every single day. Step 3, start creating content. This is where LinkedIn marketing really begins. Here are the 3 types of content that perform best on LinkedIn right now. Text posts. Share your personal experiences, lessons learned, or industry insights. Keep it relatable and real. People connect with stories more than promotions. Carousel posts. These are currently one of the most powerful formats on LinkedIn. Create a step-by-step guide, a tips list, or a how-to breakdown and watch your engagement grow. Short videos. Show your face. Talk directly to your audience. Even a 60-second video sharing one useful tip can generate massive reach. Post at least 3 to 4 times per week. Consistency is the key, not perfection. Step 4, engagement. Posting content is only half the job. The other half is showing up in the comments. Every day, spend 15 to 20 minutes engaging on LinkedIn. Comment on posts from people in your niche. Add real value, not just great post, but something thoughtful and genuine. Reply to every comment on your own posts. This signals to LinkedIn's algorithm that your content is valuable, and it will push your posts to more people. The more you engage, the more visibility you get. It's that simple. Step 5, generate leads and business opportunities. Once your profile is strong and your content is running, LinkedIn becomes a powerful lead generation machine. Here's a simple strategy. Identify your ideal customer. Visit their profile. Engage with their content for a few days. Then send a personalized connection request. After they accept, don't pitch immediately. Start a genuine conversation. Ask about their challenges. Then, only when it feels natural, introduce how you can help. This approach builds real relationships, and real relationships lead to real business. Before you go, here are a few pro tips that most beginners miss. Post at peak hours. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday mornings tend to get the highest engagement on LinkedIn. Use relevant hashtags. 3 to 5 per post is the sweet spot. Turn on creator mode in your profile settings. This unlocks extra features like LinkedIn Live, newsletters, and better profile visibility. And always track what's working. LinkedIn gives you free analytics on every post. Use that data to improve your content over time. LinkedIn marketing in 2026 is one of the most powerful and underused tools available to professionals, entrepreneurs, and businesses of all sizes. You don't need a big budget, you don't need thousands of followers, you just need a strong profile, valuable content, and consistent effort. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and share it with someone who wants to grow on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.